Aladdin Creations.
Welcome back to Aladdin Creations, where we make hematology easy to understand. Today, let's uncover the star-shaped mystery inside your blood, the Spur cells. What are Spur cells? Spur cells, also called acanthocytes, are abnormally shaped red blood cells. Unlike healthy round cells, these look spiky or star-like, with irregular thorny projections sticking out from their surface. But why do they form? Why Spur cells appear? Spur cells usually appear when the lipid composition of the red blood cell membrane is altered. This causes the cell to lose its flexibility. And instead of gliding smoothly through vessels, it becomes rigid and jagged. The most common causes include advanced liver disease, especially alcoholic cirrhosis, abetalipoproteinemia, a rare inherited lipid metabolism disorder, and sometimes post-splenectomy states. Where can we spot Spur cells? Spur cells are visible under the microscope in a peripheral blood smear. They're fewer than echinocytes, but more irregular and unpredictable in shape. Their presence often signals serious systemic illness, especially liver dysfunction. Unlike other spiked cells like Burr cells, Spur cells have uneven, blunt projections, and they don't form due to artifacts. They are true pathologic findings. Why do Spur cells matter? These star-shaped cells are more than just an oddity. They're often a clinical red flag, signaling poor prognosis in liver disease. Recognizing them early helps in diagnosing underlying metabolic or liver disorders and guiding treatment. So remember, Spur cells means spiky red cells, seen in liver disease, lipid disorders, or after spleen removal. They're rigid, uneven, and clinically important. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more cool hematology content by Aladdin Creations. Let's explore the world of blood one cell at a time.